Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Burnt Point, a charming fishing community nestled on the north shore of Conception Bay, Newfoundland and Labrador. Located about 32 kilometers north of Carbonear, Burnt Point offers a glimpse into the rich maritime history and natural beauty of the region. The name, Burnt Point, is believed to have originated from early explorers who noted that the trees on the point had been burned down. Historically, the economy of Burnt Point was primarily based on the small boat inshore fishery. In the 1860s, the community expanded its economic activities to include the seal hunt and the Labrador fishery, reflecting the adaptability and resilience of its residents. Site turn 0 search 10. Today, Burnt Point is part of the local service district known as Burnt Point Gull Island Northern Bay, which had a population of 546 as of the 2016 census. Site turn 0 search 0. The community continues to celebrate its fishing heritage while offering visitors a chance to experience the serene coastal environment. For those interested in outdoor activities, the Gull Island Boardwalk is a popular trail in the area, offering scenic views and a chance to immerse oneself in the local landscape. Site turn 0 search 15. Visitors to Burnt Point can enjoy the rugged coastline, explore local trails, and experience the warm hospitality of a community that continues to honor its rich cultural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this brief tour of Burnt Point, Newfoundland and Labrador. We hope you have the opportunity to experience this unique community firsthand.
Thanks for watching!